Have the problem here. It says Kobe starts a savings account with $30,000. The account earns 5.2% interest compounded weekly. What is the value of the account after 10 years? So let's make sure we understand the formula we got here. This is compound periodic. And the formula is A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the N times T. So let's identify what we need. We're trying to find the A, so the P that we have is the starting amount. That's 30,000. The R we have is 5.2%. We need to change that to a decimal, so 0.052. The N for weekly is 52. 52 weeks per year. And the T is 10 for 10 years. So we'll plug that into our formula. A equals 30,000 times 1 plus 0.052 divided by 52. That'll be nice. Raised to the 52 times 10. So we're going to put that in our calculator. And I'm just going to give you the big number at the end, but let's see here. 30,000 times, make sure you use parentheses. You should get that information from the videos. I get a total amount at the end of $50,447.72. Okay, so I'm going to round off to the nearest penny since it's money. Okay, if you're not getting that answer, we need to talk about your calculator. Thank you.